How to change your Instagram account to personal account. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. And if you're logged in, or if you have the professional account logged in, and if you want to switch that to your personal account, so here's how you can do it. If you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. So once you land on your professional page here, in order to switch to personal, tap on the three line at the top right. That's gonna land you to their settings and activity. Here, scroll down, and under for professional section, there is an option as business tools and controls. Tap on it. Now again, scroll down and tap on switch account type. Here, there you have an option to switch to personal account. Tap on personal account or switch to personal, and again confirm and tap on switch to personal account. Wait for a while and your account will be changed into personal account. Now if you go back to your home page, there you can see your profile has been changed to personal account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.